If you want to give your text a professional, eye-catching look in CapCut for PC, adding a shadow effect is a simple but powerful trick. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to add, enable, and customize a shadow behind your text so it stands out, looks polished, and grabs attention. By the end, you'll be able to create text that pops, no matter what your project is. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Text tab, which you'll find at the top left corner of CapCut's interface. This is where all your text options live. To add text to your project, just drag the default text asset straight onto your timeline. If you've never done this before, don't worry. It's basically as easy as dragging and dropping a file. A text clip will appear right where you placed it. Adding text like this is your first step to personalizing your video, whether you're adding a title, a caption, or even a watermark. Once your text is sitting pretty on the timeline, click on it to select it. This step is crucial. CapCut needs to know which text you want to edit. If you've got multiple text clips on your timeline, double-check that you're clicking the right one. You'll know it's selected when the editing panel on the right lights up with your options. Now, to find the shadow settings, look up at the top right editing panel and click on the Basic sub-tab if it's not already open. This is where you'll find all the essential settings for your text's appearance. Sometimes these options can be easy to miss, so if you don't see your options right away, take a moment to explore the tabs. You'll find Basic near the top. Next, scroll down through the panel until you spot the box labeled Shadow. Just check this box to enable the shadow effect. It's a small change, but instantly your text gets that extra depth, almost like it's lifted off the screen. If nothing happens at first, don't worry. Sometimes you need to adjust the settings before you see a dramatic difference. Now comes the fun part, customizing your shadow. Start with the color. Black is the classic choice, and it works for most backgrounds. But don't be afraid to experiment with other colors if you want a special vibe. For example, a soft gray shadow can look subtle and elegant, while a bright shadow might suit a playful video. Opacity is next. This slider controls how transparent your shadow is. If you want something bold and unmistakable, set the opacity higher. If you prefer a gentle touch, dial it down for a more transparent effect. Think about your video's style. The right opacity can make your text readable without overpowering the scene. Blur is all about the edges of your shadow. A high blur setting gives you a smooth, dreamy look, while zero blur makes edges stay sharp and defined. If you're going for a clean, professional finish, try a little blur to soften the effect. If you want something more graphic or punchy, keep it sharp. Finally, adjust the distance and angle. This controls where the shadow falls in relation to your actual text, like where the light is hitting your letters. Moving the distance slider pushes the shadow further away, which can create a floating effect. The angle lets you decide if the shadow falls at the bottom, side, or even above your text. Play around until it matches the mood or lighting in your video. Imagine how sunlight casts shadows at different times of day. And that's it. Once you're happy with the look, just preview your changes. Remember, you can always come back and tweak these settings. It's all about creating the style that fits your project best. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions in the comments if you get stuck or want to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and creative video tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing!